Subscribe to TechMeSpot channel and press the bell icon and never miss another update.
Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on YouTube app on Android. Okay, so first of all you need to update the YouTube app. So you need to go to the Play Store and in the search box you need to type that YouTube. Okay, and do a search for YouTube. So here is our YouTube app by Google LLC. So just tap on that. And I already updated that. If you haven't, then you need to tap on this update button and update it. Okay, so after you're done updating your YouTube app, you need to open the YouTube app. Okay, so this is my YouTube. Let me tap to open it, and after that you need to tap on this profile icon, and after that you need to tap on this settings, and then tap on this general, and here we have this dark theme. Enable dark theme throughout the app. You just need to tap on this toggle to enable the dark theme. Okay guys, you can see it's now enabled. Okay, and if we go back, you can see guys, the dark theme is now enabled. Okay, so this is really cool. And also guys, if you haven't get this dark theme after enabling, you just need to clear the data and cache, okay, of your YouTube app. So you can go to the settings of your phone, okay, by tapping over here, and you need to tap on this apps and notifications. Some phones have installed apps or apps only, so let me tap on that and tap on the app info, and on this screen you can see all of your installed apps. You need to find the YouTube. Okay, so let me find that. So this is my YouTube app. Let me tap to open it, and then storage, tap to open it, and here we have the clear data and clear cache. You just need to clear the data and clear cache, and you need to sign into YouTube again. Okay, and definitely you will get the YouTube's dark mode. Okay, and also you need to restart your phone if you don't get it. Okay, so try all these methods, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please subscribe. Bye bye.